was my record distance. Oh my gosh. Welcome to this week's video. Let's go, baby. Let's do this. Fly away. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Yo, bam, what's up, party people? You know where I am? Well, I'm not in the city or the ocean. There's a big ass mountain right there. Yo, I'm out here in the desert. It's 5 miles from where I want to fly all the way up to the top. But I'm gonna try. I don't know, we'll see. I'm super nervous. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend flying 5 miles with a LiPo, right? You gotta use a lithium ion. So I got this dark lithium. This is a 9000 mAh 30C. Pretty powerful and pretty small too. This battery's relatively small. It's 860 grams. So it's a little heavy for a 7-inch, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen, man. Stay tuned. distance. That is 5 miles. Oh, over 5 miles. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I just broke my record. Oh my God. Over 5 miles. That's right. Let's go, baby. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, well. Woo. All right. The drone came back. Woo. Oh my God. All right, baby. That's right. I made it 5 miles. Mount Whitney. Here we come. Yo, oh my gosh. I couldn't wait. Whoa. Dead rat. Anyway, yo, that was my personal record, over 5 miles. Oh my God, whoa, I can't believe it. Anyway, yo, make sure you subscribe if you want to see more dope videos and smash the like button so your friends can see it. And check out my Instagram, KaziFPV, where I post stuff that I don't post on YouTube. I also got a Patreon where I post even crazier stuff that I don't post on YouTube for a reason. Oh yeah, and I got a merch shop where you can get dope ass funny FPV merch. That's CaptainKazi.com. Check it out, go grab yourself a t-shirt. And is that it? Oh, I can't forget. Shout out to my sponsors, GemFam, for taking me to the top of the mountain, and iFly. Yo, I appreciate you guys. I love you, and I love you guys. So make sure if you guys want to see more long range videos like this, let me know. I know it's a lot. They're long videos because I mean, look. Okay, all right. I think I did enough. Did I do a good intro? I think so.